You got me falling, falling in love, that's what you call it. You got me falling, falling in love, that's what you call it. I'm not really for this, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through this again. I'm not really for this, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through this again. I love the way you did. You always jump in, saying thinking this is love for me, for us, babe. I love the way you got me for.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome to the Tierra Show. The Tierra Show. The Tierra Show. The Tierra Show. Trying to get in the mood early in the morning. Okay, so today is gonna be something. Okay, I gotta go to the gym. I'm going to the gym earlier than usual because my line sister is gonna be picking me up today because she needs help with her twins, and I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't seen my babies in maybe like a month or two, so I'm so excited. So this video is gonna be a day with me. What's the biggest luxury other than materialistic things? Yeah, that's time for me to get up. The biggest luxury in the world is spending time with people that you love, doing things for people that you love. And I take that very, very seriously. So I was so excited when my line sister told me that she needed help. I'm excited anytime any of my line sisters tell me that they need any help with anything. So yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready, and then yeah, I'm gonna see my babies today. And what the hell else am I gonna do? I'm the only one left without a husband and kids.
No stress, don't think about it. Don't think, no stress, don't think about it. Don't think, no stress.
So right now, I'm getting ready for the gym. I'm gonna put this little set that I have here is from Nova Sport. So obviously Fashion Nova. That stretch material needs that. Once I get my undertop on, I like to throw on this waist trainer. Just really get me where I need to be. And I put it on the very last hook. I really need to get a smaller one because this one, like, even though it does still like squeeze me, I feel like it still kind of like just fits rather than. I need like a small. So that way I feel like it's really doing its job. Boom. Yeah. Wait till these gone. It's over with. Now that I am dressed for the gym, I like to do some stretches in my stretch room. before I go, because here lately I've been hurting myself at the gym. And so that's simply because I'm not stretching well. So these are just a few stretches that I enjoy doing before I go to the gym. It only take you about 5 minutes to do these stretches. Maybe longer, whatever makes you feel comfortable. Feet are to the ground. I'm just kind of like stretching out, pressing my arms out on my legs while I'm in this position. And I do that for about 15 seconds. So I can feel the stretch here and feel the stretch here. Then I'm gonna walk my way back here, right? And lay all the way back. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my knees, bring them up, have this arm up, and I'm gonna take them to the side like that until I feel the stretch all in here. And then I'm gonna go back up and do the same on this side, and you can hear it crack. We're gonna do that one more time, back up to the middle and to the side. One more time to the other side. Okay, so we're back here, right? Gonna put your hands above your calf muscles and just kind of pull your head up. I know you probably can't see mine, but I'm pulling my head up so that way stretching my back. I stretch all the way. Maybe if I go this way, y'all can see better. Yeah. So it's gonna be like here, and then I'm gonna switch it, boom, and hold this leg up till I feel all this stretched. And then I do the other leg. Up, and then turn. Woo. All right, and last but not least, I'm gonna stretch these legs. So I'm keeping one leg down, one leg up. Gonna pull it towards me, and you pull it to the best of your ability, but I pull mine, you know, enough where I can feel it stretching all up in here. Okay, and then the other leg. All right. Usually I like to go to the gym between leaving the house at 9:45 to get there at exactly 10 because I walk to the gym. Water, give me an apple for the walk, and put my shoes on.
Let me say it real good. Real nice, can you? Just one night. I don't know about your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't stop looking at you, but you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't stop looking at you, but you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else like you. Oh yeah, baby, there's nobody else like you. Oh yeah. there's nobody else like you. Baby, there's nobody else like you.
Okay, I'm tired. Normally don't do vlogs in the gym because I feel like it just takes so much time trying to set up and trying to get the angles right and all that extra stuff, which I still haven't mastered in the gym, but maybe I'll get to it eventually. It depends on like if you guys want more gym vlogs, but I really just try to get that in, and I go really, really hard in the gym, so I really don't be trying to do so much recording. That's why the ones on my stories be so mediocre, but they're only for like my skater friends. We're supposed to just check in, hold each other accountable for being in the gym, and making sure we either get bigger, get smaller, get finer, get wiser, whatever your actual goal is for it. We just hold each other down for it. Shout out to Skate Mafia. On the way home, I'm just gonna put my little teardrop earrings on right now. They're so cute. You can get them off my Amazon storefront. Putting on them Jada Waiters. You already know the Jada Waiter thermal, and I'm wearing the black one just in case they throw up on me or spill anything on it. It's just an easy, you know, wash, and we'll be good to go. Jada Waiter, you know what it is, you know what it ain't, and stretchy. Very much convenient. I know I'm gonna do me a perfume haul, but just for today, I'm gonna be wearing Versace. Yeah. My Pia is here. And I'm excited. I love my day. Say hey, BB. Hey, whoa. Your hair got so long, Pia. Can you imagine? Hey, man. Hey, we gonna have fun today. Yes, we is. Sugar woogers. Oh, he's not paying attention to me. He's paying attention to this show. Look. Stay off the wall. Say Humpty. Stay off the wall. Stay off the wall. What's up, man? Chilling. Me too. They sound awful potato cakes. They be tearing the potato cakes up. Say hey, Gregory Lee. This is Gregory. The other one I had was JoJo. JoJo loved me more than Gregory. Come on. Say don't take it personal. I take it personal. Don't like your mommy very much. I heard that. That is not Big Bird. That's not the voice of Big Bird. Sound like it to me. Did you used to watch Sesame Street when you grew up? Oh, okay. I watched Sesame Street. One of my good friends, she had a little sister, and
I would go over there, they had Sesame Street on. But I was a Teletubby kid.
I like Teletubby too.
I love Teletubby. Teletubby, Gullah Island.
No, I didn't watch that. Dragon Tales.
Dragon Tales.
Love Dragon Tales.
Dragon Tales, Dragon Tales. Who's that on PBS?
Yeah. Arthur.
Arthur. Yep. I'm probably gonna age myself, but I watch Curious George.
No, I watch Curious George.
Okay, that makes me feel better. That's some real 90s shit.
I watch Curious George. I watch Caillou too. No, not the black bald one. Not the white one. Bill. Billy. Little Bill. I'm talking about some Kill Bill. Curious George too.
Yeah, I love Curious George. I'm trying to get them to watch it.
See, me and your mama grew up on the real puppets, baby. When people used to actually have to go to work and put their hands behind them. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hello? 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 I'm talking to you, Gregory. Yeah. See, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? LMNOPAQRSATUBAWXAYNZ. Yo. What? Alright, it's your turn, Greg. No, don't lean back on me. I know I can be what I wanna be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be. I'll be where I wanna be.
Aging yourself.
Right, bro. Like they used to be the song though. What's that? No, that other song.
R. Kelly, please don't sing that.
I love R. Kelly now.
I can't even hide it.
Baby, I was up in there stepping in the name of love. Come on, baby, you want to step in the name of love? I know you're not comfortable like that. I know you're not. You just trying to get to the bowl.
Yeah, you trying to eat your food.
Ain't nothing in there. Crumbs. You want a crumb?
Because they had, right now, they would have had lunch at least by now. And you like, what the F, Mom?
Man, you just don't throw the bowl at me. Don't throw it at me. I tried to give you a cinnamon toast crunch. Your mammy said no. Yeah! Bouncy. Yeah! She feeding the babies a tongue.
Get out.
Swiper.
Just fill it out. It's her last time. Say hello, world. My name is Joseph. Maybe your face for me.
Pia, they don't like this food. What is the country? Okay, all right. You didn't put your whole hand in there.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round the wheels.
Right. I've been with my babies all day. I miss you so much. We about to leave. Gregory, Lee, and Joe. Oh, my baby. Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna miss y'all. No, Daddy. I've been told you about that all day.
Okay. Yeah.
Over it. Let's get out. Let's get out of here. All right, y'all. I done made it back to the crib. Today has been a day. Them babies. I love them babies, child. Let's do a little small little unboxing. 1 second. Ugh. Huh. Brand new light. Oh. the cord. This is the connecting piece, which I'm so glad that I got this because I literally just broke the other one. I put that on my Instagram story. It didn't look like this one, but this one obviously is more updated. So, works out for me. And this should be the stand. Now, once again, I don't know what it is. I feel like the stands are getting shorter and shorter, y'all. Like, they love sending out very short stands. And this one looks just as short. This is dang near the same one I got with my DJI. Let's see. Yeah. Will it go up any? I don't know. I hate this little piece right here. I'm not really sure the purpose of that piece. Hopefully I'm able to unscrew or something and it'll go up or something. I don't know. It doesn't look like it though. But that's that. So, very excited about my new light. We're going to turn this bad boy on. See what it's looking like. Look at there. And let's see. Gets brighter. Dimmer than off. Okay. And then that's changing more to a white light. Okay. And then it's going to more yellowy. Okay. I like that. This is nice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to the Tierra Show, A Day in a Life with me. Today was a little bit more like on an authentic side where y'all really seeing something, you know, raw and uncut and down to earth rather than like, you know, so like aesthetically pleasing and luxury and things of that nature. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed my little day with my line sister and her beautiful, beautiful kids. And I'll see y'all next week on the Tierra Show.